Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. Then again 1 minus 7 is equal to also minus 6. Okay. Now minus 6 multiply minus 6 is equal to 36. Okay. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Yes, according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, therefore we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth means last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, according to rule, first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. So 1 minus 7. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. Okay. Now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So 1. Now minus 6 multiply minus 7 is equal to plus 42. Okay. Is equal to 1 plus 42 is equal to 43. So the correct answer is 43. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.